Project Trenton here today, guys. I'm checking out the new EverBrite 5000 lumens rechargeable flashlight. It claims to be super bright, long-lasting, and belt tough. I've been testing it, so let's see what it really can do, guys. Big shout out to Great Start Tools for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to check out this flashlight, it's gonna be in the link down in the description through my Amazon associate link, and it will really help support the channel, guys. Right out of the box, guys, you get a really nice flashlight that is wrapped in bubble wrap, USB-C charger, and an instruction manual also, which has specs on the back, which I will discuss in a second, guys. Alright, guys, let's talk about the flashlight itself. This flashlight right here, made out of metal. That's how you know it's going to be very good quality. The grip texture also it has on it, very nice feeling in the hands. Not too heavy either. It may look heavy, but I could hold it with 2 fingers easily, and it's well balanced also. It's not a pocket size flashlight, but if you're camping or something, I'd probably bring this out so you can see everything bright and clearly, guys. This flashlight right here does not feel cheap at all. It has a zoomable lens also on the top right here. Zoom it in or out. Also on the back for the charging port, it is also, I think, watertight. You can charge it from right there. You just twist it on and off like the front of it. This claims to be 5000 lumens. It has different lighting modes. This is high, medium, low. Then you have your strobe light also on there. You can focus it to any desire you want. This is a pretty well lit area in my room. I'm going to be showing you guys that's my max brightness right there. Medium, low, then you have your extra low. This claims to run for 24 hours at this setting right here. Then you have your strobe, of course. It does get a little warm around the top up here where it illuminates. That is pretty normal for a flashlight that is strong and powerful. This easily will light up the whole room. The battery and charging life also, it lasts for 24 hours just like I said on the lowest setting. The charge time, I charged it for about 30 minutes and it was charged. Alright, let's talk about the rechargeability, charging port, and the charge time on this. Right here on the instruction manual, the running time for eco mode, 24 hours, guys. I'm not lying to you. You get 2 lithium ion batteries rated at that mAh right there. Has a max distance of 160 meters on this thing right here. And you cannot use it when it's charging, found out. But there's probably safety reasons for that right there. Good for emergencies, good to keep in your car. Now I'll show you guys some real world demos. As you guys can see, my whole room is lit. Highest mode you can get, very bright. You also have setting 2, setting 1. We're gonna now shine against a black curtain. Very, very bright, guys. Lit closet. Here's the flashlight. Brightens up the whole closet. I will show you guys strobe mode too. Super bright. You guys enjoy the little demos I just showed you. Now we're going to talk pros and cons of this flashlight. The pros, extremely bright. It's a rechargeable, multiple modes, solid build, and great for emergencies. But of course there's going to be some cons about the flashlight too. It gets pretty warm, has the hot thing right there. The strobe is very sensitive. If like I can't even look at the strobe, it messes with my eyes. and it is water resistant. I'm not true if it is waterproof, but it is water resistant, guys. And who should buy this? Anyone who needs a bright flashlight stronger than your phone flashlight. Maybe cops, maybe the military. And if you guys are wanting it again, check the link down in the description to purchase this, guys. And hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe the channel.